Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 583, and today's topic of my lecture is the fruits and vegetables for pregnant women. Pregnant women have to be very selective in her food, and their requirement of nutrients and other food is 10% more as compared to other women, and at the same time their requirement of vitamins and minerals are 3 times more as compared to other women, and more especially folates. Folate is very important. FOLATE, because this folate is the group of vitamin B, and this vitamin B group, they play a very important role in the development of fetus, and if there is deficiency of folate, and that folate is available in the form of tablet, that is called supplement, and name is folic acid. And folic acid, that is folate, B group vitamins, is not only for pregnant women it is important, but to everybody, even male and female. Why I am particular for female means it is the development of child. That's why she requires 3 times more folate as compared to normal male or female. And the deficiency of this folate, even for us, is having lot of problem. First, fatigue, weakness, sore in our mouth, indigestion, because it is taking care of lot of metabolic disorder. Also, it is maintaining our cell division, repairing our cell, and also genetic material also. It takes care of your DNA and RNA, healthy DNA, RNA. So it is very, very important. Especially for female, it is very important because she is pregnant and fetus is there, and even fetus require lot of cell division, lot of genetic reactions, and if there is deficiency of folate, folic acid, even there is chance of detachment of fetus from placenta, even abortion. So that's why the ladies who are pregnant should be very careful, and they should be in touch of their gynecologist, and they will tell them that what daily allowance they should take. But in the meantime, the 2 sources are there for folate. One is called, that is plant source, means fruit and vegetables, and especially those vegetables which are very dark green in color, they are rich in folates. And the other fruits are like anar, we call it pomegranate, then guava, amrud, banana, apple. These are all rich in folate. Then the oil bearing nut like your cashew nut, walnut, means badam, akroot, and kaju. They are very important. Then if, for example, the women is not strictly vegetarian, I am talking of those in India, that many women, pregnant women, they are strictly vegetarian, means they don't take any animal product. So for them, they have to be very much selective for their vegetable and fruits. But those who are taking animal products, then they have more advantage because liver is very rich source of folate. So these are all very important measures they have to take. And now out of all those fruit, the best one I have taken, that is promenade, and in Indian language it is called anar. And anar is very good for pregnant women because it is packed with lot of folate and other powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds. So this is your for pregnant women, and these fruits are pomegranate, avocados, guava, bananas, grapes, berries, oil-bearing nuts, deep green vegetables, and apples. And out of that, I have selected the anar. That is Indian name. We call it commonly anar. And English name, that is pomegranate. And this pomegranate, the botanical name is Punica granatum. Lin, and it belongs to family Puneaceae. And this is very rich fruit, and it is having arils. Arils means it is having seed, and this seed is covered with pulpy red color pulp, and this inside seed is very rich in conjugated linoleic acid. The particular name is there, and the other derivative of polyunsaturated fatty acid. That's why the whole arils should be taken. If you are taking only the outer material and you are throwing the seed, it means you have thrown more than 50% very good polyphenolic compound. And this is very rich in your flavonoids, especially anthocyanin, pigment, also tannins, and it is also rich in folate, that is B group of vitamins. And these anars, they are very good for those people who are having some tendency of anemia or cardiovascular problem, because it is very rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and that is tannins and anthocyanins. And because of that, your body oxidative stress is drastically reduced. That's why it can protect from cancer formation, tumor formation, and also from cardiac problem. So this pomegranate, pomegranate, that is in Indian language called anar, it is, if we take 1 teacup of arils, that aril means the seed which is surrounded with a pulp, it will be roughly 174 gram, and that one will contain the fiber 7 gram, protein 3 gram, vitamin C 30% of RDA, that is your daily allowance, the requirement, and vitamin K 36%, folate 16% of RDI, and potassium 12% of RDI. It contains the energy, that is in calories 144 calorie, and sugar 25 gram. So these are all the constituents of arils, and arils will be in hundreds, maybe 150 or 200, depends upon the size. And number 2, it is used as a treatment of cancer. As we know that it is packed with lot of antioxidants like anthocyanin and tannins, and they are powerful antioxidants. They can reduce drastically, they can clear all those free radicals. So we will be free of oxidative stress, and it can also help in osteoarthritis pain, that is your knee or joint pain, because it is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, those antioxidants like flavonoid and anthocyanins, and it helps in sore throat, cough, urinary infections, and it is also healthiest fruit on the earth, loaded with very important nutrients. Number 3, fruit contains hundreds of aryls and they are rich in fiber, vitamins, and contains two very important and powerful antioxidants. And these powerful antioxidants are known as punicalagins and punicic acid. They are very powerful antioxidants, and actually they are polyunsaturated fatty acid and polyphenolics. This is your polyphenolic, that is punicalagins, and this punicic acid is your actually polyunsaturated fatty acid. And these two powerful antioxidants are present inside the seed, not on the outer pulp. So that's why those people who are taking this anar pearls or seeds, they should consume all. They should not throw inside the seed the hard portion, because hard portion is very rich in these two powerful antioxidants, and these are found inside the seed. It is conjugated linoleic acid. Number 4, it is anti-inflammatory. As we know that it is packed with lot of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. That's why it is anti-inflammatory, help to fight prostate cancer, and also useful against breast cancer. And the latest report says that especially inside seed, and now that seed is globally available, in the stores and even in the dehydrated form, and they are widely using to fight the breast cancer. The inside hard portion of seed, it is dehydrated, and sometimes they sell in the form of supplement also. And these two compounds, that punicic acid and punicalagin, these two are also sold in the form of supplement, but you should not go for supplement or tablet or capsule. If you take this anar, that is your pomegranate fruit aryls, it can give you natural these cancer fighting compounds, and it may lower blood pressure because it contains potassium, and that's why it can maintain your blood pressure. It is helpful in common gum disease. It is also very good if you have some bacterial attack to your gum. So it can even treat it, and also some viral attack means some yeast fermentation which is here in your mouth, where you get gum inflammation. If you take this anar pearls, it will settle it disease, and it also protect against Alzheimer's because it is rich in nitrate, and that nitrate will release that is nitrous oxide, and that nitrous oxide, that is very important to boost your blood circulation, and once enough blood is reaching to our brain, our nervous system will be healthy, and it will help in dementia, short memory, and also Alzheimer's, that is disease of loss of long memory. Thank you very much for watching the lecture, and with this I will stop.